We're back right here on Island Life Live, and the future never looked so bright with our next guest from SunSource Power.
Yeah, the team there are bringing fresh, innovative solutions to Hawaii's solar market, helping more families and businesses make the switch to clean, sustainable energy. And here to tell us more, our managing partners, Andrew Balmores. How you, ba?
Good, good.
Welcome to the Hale. And we welcome back Dustin, Denise. How you, brother?
Very good, very good.
Welcome
Thank you
back
so much.
to the show, my brother. Okay, we're going to start with Andrew. Well, actually, Dustin was here the last time, so and I wasn't here. So I just really want, if you can, Andrew, fill me in on the details. Tell us about the program.
Sure, sure. So first of all, we can design all the programs that are available in the industry right now, but the program that our customers are the most excited about have these 5 major benefits. So no money out of pocket, no credit check. So those are the 2 biggest barriers of entry that we see to getting solar on somebody's roof. And then the third, probably the most important, save money day one. Fourth, no maintenance costs. So we cover all of that during the program. And then 5, you can own the system in as little as short as 7 years.
I like that. I like the fact that you went through all 5, but you actually had me at 1 already. You know, no money out of pocket. Yeah, I was like, oh, I'm leaning in already. What? Nah, for real.
No, but for real, brother, I think sometimes this sounds like really too good to be true. Why is this offering so good? What is it about this offering, Dustin?
Power purchase agreements have been in the industry for quite a while, but we took kind of the chassis of something that's been around for a while, and we kind of added some of our own tweaks to it. So we identified a lot of the barriers to entry for a lot of homeowners, and I think 2 of the major benefits that our program provides that are different is that we have a shorter term on it, so it's going to be a 7 to 10 year versus something a lot longer, 25, 30 years exactly. And then the second component of that is that we're able to really not have these credit checks as well too. So it's kind of breakthrough on that side of it.
How is this possible? Because I know some people are watching right now saying, nah, how can? How are you guys able to break these barriers?
I can't say that we're the only solar company that this is possible, but I really believe that it's the people that make up our company that make this possible. So when you start with our founders and our first key employees, such as Dustin and myself, when you look at our backgrounds, we're many years of experience in the financial industry, but also the insurance, real estate, and construction industries as well. So with our innovative outlook and the way we see things, we worked tirelessly with our energy attorneys for the past 2 years to bring really the best program that we see possible that keeps most of the money in the Hawaii residents' pockets. And to finish it all up, the dream team of solar workers that we've hired, the installers, the electricians, project managers, technicians that we hired from the solar industry, they really make it all possible as far as executing our vision and making sure that we can continue these programs for the Hawaii residents.
I love this. So this is what makes you guys so special. You got all that years of expertise in the various different sectors, and then you got you guys people. So wow, this is so awesome.
Yep, the team is making it happen. I love that. How can our viewers reach out? And I'm sure they're going to say the same thing. How can? That's the words.
Yeah, so they can come to our website. It's going to be sunsourcepower.com. Also, too, check us out on Instagram as well. So that's going to be sun_source_power. So it's right there on the screen. So yeah, we'd be happy to connect with all of you. We'll be doing a bunch of giveaways as well too on our Instagram. So please, connect with us there as well too. So.
Giveaways on top of what you folks are already doing.
Oh yeah,
5-point plan. Wow.
So
I'm jumping on now.
sun_source_power on Instagram.
On Instagram.
Got you. Okay. I know.
Follow us.
Sign me up already, bro. This is awesome.
For sure. Andrew Balmores, Dustin Denise, sunsourcepower.com/solar for all.